We've got to clean our chicken wings properly before I show you how to make homemade Southern maple brown sugar barbecue sauce. The trick to crispy oven-baked chicken is cooking a clean one. Grab your ketchup, brown sugar, maple syrup, and apple cider vinegar. Let's get cooking. Okay, so I'm going to sprinkle about 1.5 tablespoons of Chicken-Lika Bam Bam poultry seasoning on these washed and dried wings. Southern tip: the easiest way to clean chicken is in a 20-minute apple cider vinegar water soak. Next, rub the chicken skin as you pluck out any feathers. Rinse and paper towel blot your chicken wings for the next step. Don't worry, the ingredients are right here on your screen, so go ahead and take a screenshot. Depending on what part of the Carolinas you're from will determine if you go tomato or vinegar based with your homemade barbecue sauce. For dinner tonight, let's go tomato based. We're going to mix and simmer our maple brown sugar barbecue sauce for 20 minutes. Yes, we are, 20 minutes. We're thickening our homemade sauce to enhance the flavor as it cooks down. All right, salt and pepper to taste. My secret ingredient, ginger puree. I'm telling you, it makes the Sriracha pop along with the soy sauce. So you'll want to make sure you add it in there. Almost forgot. Don't tell nobody. Okay, so next we'll pour on half of the sauce and stir until the chicken is well coated. Now, if you don't like saucy wings, check out my turmeric chicken wing recipe I just dropped. Nothing beats easy and crispy oven-baked chicken. Once our chicken marinates for at least 30 minutes, preferably 8 hours, but we all know sometimes we just think 8 hours to marinate some darn chicken. So, in that case, 30 minutes is okay. Don't forget to grab your avocado oil now, because we're going to single layer our chicken wings. We don't want it to stick to our pan. Into a preheated 250 degree oven, Fahrenheit, we're going to bake the chicken for about 30 minutes. Leaving the chicken in the oven, crank up the heat to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 10 to 15 minutes per side. And this is after you bake it for 30 minutes. So in total, you'll be baking your chicken for around 50 minutes. Halfway through the baking process, we're going to flip our chicken wings. Remember the other half of your barbecue sauce? Yeah, we're going to go ahead and grab that, right? And then we're going to pour that on our chicken and baste the other side of our chicken wings. Don't forget to crank up the heat. Ooh, look at this barbecue chicken. A little spice from the Sriracha, a little savory from the soy sauce and maple brown sugar. Oh man, y'all, this was so good. This barbecue sauce is very easy to make. Now, it ain't no Sweet Baby Ray's now, but it does come close. Leave a comment below. Have you tried to make your own barbecue sauce before? My name is Naj. I enjoy cooking with you today. Like and subscribe before you grab your plate, because I'm hungry and I'm not waiting for you. See you in the crispy turmeric chicken wings recipe. Bye-bye.